Hi, welcome to 2020 Tasty Treats with GourmetQuilter. We have been having a very delicious year this year. We're doing a series at the moment of applique in the kitchen, so we've got all these wonderful things happening in this particular kitchen. Definitely a kitchen I'd like to be part of. So we're actually up to applique number 19 out of 20, so only this one and one more to go. So this time we're doing a rolling pin. If you've signed up on gourmetquilter.com to receive the pattern, you'll get a pattern that you can trace all the shapes for the applique. I'm doing fused raw edge applique. I'm using batik cloth because I find that that doesn't fray as much as some cottons do. I've already started positioning. This is a rolling pin, so I've already started positioning. So I did do a very light finger press just to get the center so that it's sitting fairly central to the block. So I put my handle on. This one here sits underneath. That's the other end, and then I just need to put my other handle on so that we can roll with comfort, and I think that's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to iron all that in place now, and because I'm going to free motion stitch, I need a stabilizer behind, so I'm just going to pop a piece of lightweight cotton batting as my stabilizer. It just sits behind. I just iron it because it just holds together well. It's not fusible. And then I can go to the sewing machine and I can do my free motion stitching. So I've got a free motion foot on, I've just got a grey thread in, I've dropped my feed teeth, and really there's nothing terribly hard about this if you've done free motion stitching. So I'm going to start at this end here and get this little darker bit done, and the handle as well while I'm here. I'm just going to skip onto the handle. Come all the way around, and then I don't really end up in quite the right place, but it's such a small amount. I'm just going to go down and around that little end of the handle again and come back onto here, and then I can come and do the rest of the rolling pin like this. So fairly straightforward. So I can come up here. When I get to the handle, I'll include that, then come back up the other side, and then I'll be able to finish off the last bit. So I'll just go ahead and keep stitching and show you when I get to the end. So I'm just coming up the other side of the rolling pin, and when I get here I still need to go across this bit here, so I'll just divert and go across there. A couple of stitches to hold it to lock the thread off, and there is one rolling pin. Just give it a quick press, and then we can put it up here on the board with the other items that are in my kitchen, if only. So this one's going here, so there's just one more to go. This was applique number 19 for in the kitchen, and we've just got number 20 to go. So I think that's looking like an excellent kitchen. So I will see you again with applique number 20.